Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing your environment and importing the pack. You've already backed up your current theme. Now open the app's themes pane and select import. If the pack is zip, extract to a temp folder. If it's JSON or theme, point the importer to the file. Make sure file permissions allow read access and name conflicts are resolved. Once imported, don't apply yet, inspect assets and metadata so you know what will change. Now you install assets and map them into the app. You'll copy fonts into the fonts folder and place icons and wallpapers into their target directories. This ensures the pack's references work. Open the theme editor and link each asset path. When a field is blank, manually browse to the file. Once done, configure global variables like primary color, spacing scale, and base font size so the layout adapts. Make sure responsive breakpoints match your target devices before applying. Apply the theme in a staging or secondary profile so you don't disrupt users. You apply, then walk through every core screen and common workflow to spot visual or functional regressions. You'll test buttons, forms, and responsive behavior, adjusting variables if spacing or contrast fails. If something breaks, revert immediately using the backup and inspect console or error logs to find missing assets or path mismatches. If issues persist, re-import a clean copy and relink assets. This fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.